I wish I could zoom out a little further with this flashlight, but let's see. This was the box that the Fel-Pro thing came in. Not the greatest shape for a box to be in, but it's alright. So usually I have a Fel-Pro valve cover gasket on my 1ZZ. That's the only Fel-Pro gasket I have on my car. And for the 2ZZ, I bought this Fel-Pro kit over here for the timing to obviously have gaskets. So right over here, water pump gasket, or at least one of them. It's squishy and it's alright. These little bumps don't stick out too far, but enough to hold it. This timing cover gasket itself, which seems really good quality to me, also has those little bumps that stick out not too far, and it's quite squishy. I like it so far. But then the front main seal, which I'm actually going to use this one because if it does fail, then I can easily replace it. Yeah. Then let's inspect this is the part number. Same water pump gasket. It is a tiny bit less flexible, or at least like, I guess like feels more durable is the way to put it. Like not exactly thicker, but like harder to flex by like a tiny bit. This one, whenever I hold it by a corner, or like any part, it's kind of flimsy. This one holds its shape a little better. And also the bumps on this one are a lot thicker than the bumps on this one. This one being OEM, this one being Fel-Pro. Now let's go with the timing cover gasket itself. This one is the OEM one. The first part I'm going to look at is actually the bottom of the cover where it actually sits in the thing. That one has this little bumps here that you can see. These two parts. This one has them going in like the opposite direction. It fits this gasket fits in the cover. I already tested it. Hi, cat. But this one has the bumps that stick out a little further, and it also feels a little more hardened, is the better way to put it. So I will actually be using the OEM Toyota gaskets, and then this one as well. I think the only place I would ever use a Fel-Pro gasket are gaskets that can easily be replaced. Head gasket, OEM Toyota. Timing cover gasket, OEM Toyota. This thing, if this fails, I can easily take the crankshaft pulley off and replace that. I'm going to trust this. This one, for the 2ZZ rebuild, I'd rather just go with the strong stuff, just because I know it's gonna work. This one, oh no, this is the OEM one. This was just a quick little upload on the difference between a Fel-Pro gasket and a Toyota gasket. Don't get me wrong, these will hold, especially compared to the old crested gasket that came out of the engine originally. Don't get me wrong, these ones will hold up. For how long, I don't know, but how long as I don't want to test it. These ones I know are guaranteed to last like 15 years minimum if everything's correct and oil changes are correct. This one, it feels very similar to the rear main seal, the OEM one. OEM rear main seal. Just open this up real quick. OEM rear main seal for the 2ZZ. I think I got this directly from the Toyota dealership. This one these honestly, sorry for the camera angle, these feel the same to me. And then this one has NOK on it. This one has goats. Can you read that? Yeah, there you go. And then this one. To me, oh, this one actually has like ribs here in this inside, and this one's completely smooth. That might just be the design between the rear main and the front main, but either way, I'm going to use this one from Fel-Pro, this one from Toyota, and if this one ends up failing, then I can easily replace it. This one, yeah. Yeah, that's all I got on Fel-Pro versus Toyota.